right now we're in LU.
Guys, you wanna see our first attraction? Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Welcome to LU.
That
So, ang first namin pupuntahan or kakainan is
Clean Beach. But it opens at 7 and it's 5:37. So we're going to hang out at the beach first. Okay guys, we are at Clean Beach pero it's 6:02 and they open at 7. Bawal daw makiupo. So, and then they're sitting right here. We are going to our accommodation now because nag-reply na si Miss Jovi. So we have 5 beds.
yes, medyo nakaluwag-luwag kami. Tapos yung cobre kama, hindi amoy
19 muna.
aso.
count the towels.
This is
Tama ba
Rapid
yun?
Surf Stay. And yung early check-in nila is not per hour. Maganda din CR. Tada! So nice! It's now 8:49 and we're leaving. You can lock the door. I have the key.
Dalak na.
Yes. We're going to Mahalo Matcha. And then we're going to try. We're going to try matcha first and pastry. Then real meal na for lunch. Brunch.
Mainit. Kaya nga, masarap sa balat. And it's only what? Magna 9?
Yeah, 9. 8:56.
Paano pa mamaya?
Ah!
Wow, so nice.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're now
Ay,
here
lumabas na.
at-
Lumabas na oh.
We're now here at Mahalo Matcha.
Yeah, we're gonna
What did you
rate.
order?
I ordered ube cloud. How about you?
I ordered classic matcha.
As a matcha girl. So right now we're gonna rate. Mine is ube cloud.
Mine is classic matcha.
Mine is matcha. Coconut.
Coconut matcha.
And Jerome is lumot. Look. Very
Ube matcha. Ube matcha.
So my rating here is 7 kasi hindi masyadong naghahalo agad ang lasa ng ube sa coconut milk. Pero masarap.
Mine is actually 8. Kasi I do prefer grassy and medyo sweet na matcha. Siya more on the creamier side. Pero may grassy pa din naman. So, good. I love it. Matcha.
Ang trick mo dito, itaas mo yung straw.
Yeah. Kasi pag nasa ilalim lang, pag nasa lahat ng flavors nasa ilalim lang. So, you have to mix it and then sa gitna yung straw. May demo.
Vlogger.
Hi guys, so I ordered the ube matcha. Ube matcha. Actually, you'll get the grainy and the grassy taste of matcha, but the sweetness comes from the ube. So this is a solid one. I'll give this, I think 8.5 or 9 out of 10. So I would recommend this.
Okay naman yung family. So, as you can see, the tower, uplift. Uplifted yung family mo this year. So, okay naman siya. Ay, kaso, mayroong mga thunderstorm mo.
Lightning
pala.
bolt!
Lightning
Iba
siya.
yung thunderstorm.
Sorry. Akala ko kasi thunderstorm kasi naririnig ko may super typhoon eh. So, merong mga lightning. Yun yung challenges mo ulit. Pero may king na magsasave sa inyo. So, carry mo na yun. So, you need to drink 7 cups of matcha.
Sa Vietnam trip.
Yeah, sa Vietnam. Pwede rin naman coffee.
Coffee.
Kasi
Egg
for
coffee.
Ah, yeah.
Here's the vibe.
Over naman. Girl, ang saya. Kaya na lang ako ulit nakakata ng ube frap.
Happy.
Hindi siya matula. Ola is better.
Saan tayo kiniinan natin na we like it so much?
Ola.
Paano sila nagkasya, ate?
May anim pa po kami, Kasha.
Talaga?
They are so fit.
Kaya yan.
Baka yung iba is lang gano'n.
Yes, pwedeng dumungaw.
Huwag na natin ipili.
Parang hindi ko angle natin. So,
Bagal lumabas.
Hoy, kakawan lang.
apa?
At kami may first costume.
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, nalaglag. Sorry.
Sorry, vlog. So cute, guys.
Bakit?
Pogi ko.
We're going now to Kahuna to print her bus ticket.
Whatever.
Okay, ang bilis ng people here. So.
Saan yung kapila?
Yun o, yung
Who's most likely to do this stuff? Ganda na tayo.
Feel ko din.
5 pesos.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Got the goods.
But, ang mahal.
How much ba?
100.
100 ata. I'll buy this.
I don't like the size of that.
Pwede
Yeah,
bang
it's
mamaya
too
na
big
tayo
lang.
bumili pagka?
That's why I don't wanna buy.
Dagdag mo.
Too big, oh.
I don't, it's
Compare it to my
Kasi
face.
malapit lang tayo.
It's too big.
big plus yung maganda kasi yung style ng mga previous na. Yan. So,
Ano ang bet mo?
Or Malbon is the best.
Yeah.
Looks like a chocolate, guys.
chocolate bar.
And it was designed by Lola yata. Dun sa
Yes.
kanyang earring.
No, I think her husband.
Her husband.
Thank you po.
Oh, so cute! Abby, I believe. Mermaid in a can. Malaki pa din siya, but at least
How much? 250.
there's something going on. Yeah.
Gusto ko to.
That's nice also.
Let me think about it. Kapag ito nandito pa rin mamaya, bibilhin ko to.
Hot girl stay salty. Oh my gosh, I like. Let me look. Diba nice din to? Oh, I like. I like. Nice ba?
Yeah.
Di ba?
I like this. Ayaw kasi ng page, nadadala ako sa page.
Nababalikan ka rin.
Pag andito pa rin yung isang ref
Sige,
magnet
ako na lang.
Ibig sabihin, it's for me.
Alin yung ref magnet?
Yung pink.
Magkano ba yung ref magnet?
I'll come back for this ate. Stay there. This was not in the budget. But let's think about it.
Oh, meron pa dito.
What a parasite.
Pero,
Hoy, may sticker dyan! Ah,
Ako na maglalagay.
Ano ba yan? Kay Jerome na lang, mas fix. Kasi, look. Sige, bahala. My bag is netted, so pag nahulog yung stuff niya, not my fault. They're craving for
Isa lang.
empanada.
Wow! We need to buy Dubai Chewy chocolate. Empanada and Dubai Chewy chocolate is the best combo.
Guys, may cheese sauce yung empanada nila. Ngayon pa lang. Ito, moment ito.
Rating.
8 out of 10.
We are at Seabuds now. And we are picking
Summer day.
Are we sharing?
Yeah,
No.
sure.
Smoothie bowl.
Ah, okay, sige. One
Ano ba
lang.
yung flavor ng smoothie bowl?
Yeah, kasi magme-Mexican na tayo.
Okay. Okay.
Ano yung order nyo?
Whatever. Ito yung gusto namin.
Okay, yan
One
lang.
lang.
There's still a lot of people surfing. Right now, it's currently 5:20. Ang sarap pamuhay dito sa LU, pero dapat 5 p.m. lang onward. Dapat 5 p.m. arrival. Yeah. Ang fantasy today ng aking cousin is Dr. Shahir na maraming tato.
Ano daw?
Pagka out, go surfing.
We're gonna rate.
This is our smoothie. Summer day smoothie bowl from Sivan. We're going to share this kasi we'll have dinner.
Shit.
Isa lang tuloy yung smoothie. Sarap. Ano yung pink? Berry. Sarap. I love it.
Ganun kami ni Daddy.
Ano?
Mga wives ni Daddy.
Hindi ko na alam,
Kay
sorry.
Bugoy ni Koy ko. Kasi di ba he has like 4 wives?
Si Jerome yung daddy.
Sama natin yung lang.
I-peer pressure niyo kasi ako ng nakakalimutan. Or straight up hindi namin. Kailangan niyo ako i-pressure. Pag kayo lahat nagpicture din. Ganon.
Kanina nga, nagpipicture ka na. Kailangan kasi
Eh
natin
kasi
ng me
lahat,
time.
lahat kayo may story na kailangan ganon. Walang nonchalant sa group.
Ay!
Pag-
I love that.
Pag si Baba nandito, ay tatama din yan.
Hoy, mahilig mag-story si Baba.
Eh, later on pa siya. Late.
Ah, gusto mo real time.
Pag real time, mapapressure din ako mag-post real time. Kasi late din.
Nag-mature ka na. Hindi ka nagsa-story dati.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Wala kang memories. Wala kang...
Kaya nga.
As in, ang saya-saya balikan.
Hindi naman ako nonchalant. Tamad lang. There's a sunset kahit may bagyo. Yay! Pwede na kami umuwi. We got smoothie bowl na, sunset, Mexican food later. What else? Kare-kare ni Rain. Tick all the boxes. Pwede na kami umuwi. Look at that! So pretty! So happy! May sunset! This is our Mexican food and
El Chapo.
we are at El Chapo. So why is that like it? Here's our food.
Ano si Tita Tasden?
We got
Alam na kaya magluto yung
tacos,
dalawa?
nachos, and burritos.
Kakaiba yung nachos nila dito.
Sorry.
Hindi siya yung parang typical.
The nachos is like
Ano to?
right now we're at Ubi Mama. They have aircon. I like. Oh. That's the mango. Ooh.
Pancit canton.
So, we have
Ano gagawin mo na?
mango coco and black rice. And this is
I think that's
corn
blanca
and ube.
Maraming type
Okay, so let's try.